So this is the next topic, oxidizing properties. You must remember that nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. Why it is an oxidizing agent? Because whenever we are taking either concentrated nitric acid or dilute nitric acid, it is being decomposed into nitrogen dioxide and water for concentrated, and for dilute nitric oxide and water. Whenever concentrated nitric acid is taken, it is decomposed into nitrogen dioxide, water and nascent oxygen. You must remember that when any element is in the square brackets, the terminology we use for it is nascent. So this is nascent oxygen. Then when we are taking dilute HNO3, what we are getting is NO2, water and nascent oxygen. Because of this balancing and all, this number is differing. Otherwise the thing is the same. Both are oxidizing agents because they are giving nascent oxygen. Then this nitric acid or this oxidizing agent acts on metals, non-metals, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. So these actions we have to deal now. First of all, we will study the action on non-metals. These non-metals we have taken carbon, sulfur and phosphorus. What we are adding is concentrated nitric acid. You must remember from here that whenever we are taking concentrated nitric acid, the product is NO2 and water. So here concentrated nitric acid is taken, the product will be NO2 and water for sure, and the rest will depend upon the non-metal which is taken. Suppose the metal is carbon, so we are getting here carbon dioxide. The metal is sulfur, we are getting sulfuric acid. The metal is phosphorus, we are getting phosphoric acid. Clear? Then next one, action on metals. Here what the thing is done, in first case we have taken cold and dilute nitric acid. So again dilute nitric acid, okay. So dilute nitric acid you will get NO2. Then here action on metals, cold and dilute nitric acid first of all we are taking. Then what we are taking here, these metals, cold and dilute nitric acid. For cold and dilute nitric acid, the sure products will be NO2 and water. So in all the three cases we have obtained NO and water, and the rest depends upon the metal taken. If it is copper, it will be copper nitrate, zinc nitrate, and here iron 2 nitrate because the valency here is 2. Done. Then here we are taking concentrated nitric acid or hot dilute nitric acid. You must remember the difference. One is cold and dilute and another one is hot and dilute. So hot and dilute nitric acid is equivalent to concentrated nitric acid. So again, if concentrated nitric acid is there, then the products will be NO2 and water for sure. Then other will depend upon the metal we are taking, copper nitrate, zinc nitrate and iron 2 nitrate. Then here this thing is very, very important. You must remember that metals like iron, aluminium, cobalt and nickel, they become passive when they are treated with concentrated nitric acid. Now why this happens or why they are becoming passive, I will help you understand. Suppose this is a block of iron, okay, aluminium I am taking. Suppose this is a block of aluminium. Now when this aluminium is reacting with HNO3, what is actually happening? Oxide coating of aluminium is being formed. So Al2O3, this aluminium oxide. This oxide coating is being deposited on the surface of that metal. Okay, this is the oxide coating being deposited on the surface of that metal. So this oxide coating will make that metal inert, or you can say passive. So these things happen with aluminium, iron, cobalt and nickel. Clear? जब ये aluminium या if we take nickel, cobalt or iron, when aluminium, nickel, cobalt and iron, इन चारों elements को अगर हम nitric acid के साथ react करते हैं, what happens? This nitric acid will combine with these and they will form a oxide compound of all these four. तो इनकी जो ऑक्साइड कंपाउंड मिला दैट विल फॉर्म अ कोटिंग। एल्यूमिनियम के ऊपर एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड की कोटिंग बन जाएगी, निकल के ऊपर निकल ऑक्साइड की कोटिंग, कोबाल्ट के ऊपर कोबाल्ट ऑक्साइड की, आयरन के ऊपर आयरन ऑक्साइड की। तो ये सारे जो ऑक्साइड कोटिंग्स हैं, उस कोटिंग के कारण ये अंदर का जो मेटल है वो रिएक्टिव नहीं रह पाता है, वो इनर्ट हो जाता है। Therefore this passivity is being induced, and thus we don't react this nitric acid with these four elements.